Meaning of driving under the influence.
Driving under the influence.
Driving under the influence.
Driving under the influence.
Driving under the influence. Driving under the influence refers to the act of operating a vehicle while impaired by drugs or alcohol. This behavior poses a major risk to public safety, as it can result in serious accidents and injuries. Individuals who are caught driving under the influence may face legal consequences, including fines, license suspension, and even jail time. Additionally, they may experience personal consequences such as increased insurance rates and difficulty finding employment. Ultimately, choosing to drive under the influence can have far-reaching and devastating consequences for both the driver and others on the road.